Goti 22 kilometer, Igatpuri 30, Sinnar 60, Nashik 60, Mumbai 150. All right, so 50 kilometer it is. Oh my god, I mean Sahyadri mountains, no words. So today's itinerary is gonna be something like nothing much. We already kind of did a small trek. I wouldn't say it's a trek, it's just a 15-20 minutes of little hiking, I can say. And regarding Igatpuri, I didn't ask anything, like literally anything with Vivek, that what it is. So he knows that it's a cool place, so that's why we are going there. And he also wanted to go and explore the places at Igatpuri, so we are like, anyway, so it doesn't make any sense to directly ride back towards Pune. So we are like, let's explore the places which are near here. For example, Sandanwale happened, Ratangad, now the Igatpuri. Before Pune, probably we're gonna circle around Malsej Ghat and then Pune. That's the kind of rough plan we are having. Thing is, we still haven't had a lunch, so we'll be finding a restaurant somewhere here and we'll eat something. And after that, it's gonna be Igatpuri. Stay tuned for that. Honestly, I don't know where I'm at Igatpuri, but we saw a little dam kind of place here inside, so, and we are like, why not? And भाई थोड़ा जगह मिलेगा, मराठी आती नहीं, थोड़ा जगह मिलेगा, जगह मिलेगा, जगह इधर जाऊँ, इधर जाता, धन्यवाद. And after actually I kind of got excited after seeing the golden hour at the Goti road, Bandardhara Goti road. And now the time is, I think, around 5:30, 5:45, 5:48 to be specific. Man, the view, oh my god. That classic golden hour, pitch dark, grass beside the road. Oh my god. And probably the next ride's gonna be of Malsej Ghat. And after a couple of days here at Maharashtra, I can surely assume that there won't be kind of active waterfalls, so no hopes there, but at least I'll get to see the scenery, the viewpoints. So let's see how it goes. It's actually a beautiful view. Can I get a drone shot? As I mentioned yesterday, we came from Igatpuri and stayed at Malsej Ghat, specifically at the Bhairavgarh base point. So the point you are seeing on my right side, right? That pinnacle, that's actually a Bhairavgarh trekking point. Unfortunately, we could not able to do a trek. I mean, because we were so damn tired yesterday, and also we reached Malsej Ghat around 12:30 1 a.m. in the night. So we needed a little bit of rest as well. So we could not able to do the Bhairavgarh trek. But man, oh, that pinnacle, whatever I'm seeing on my right side, right, it's absolute beauty. Now I'm heading towards Malsej Ghat, you know, Malsej Ghat point, because Bhairavgarh point, whatever, that one is little bit behind the Malsej Ghat. So currently heading towards the Malsej Ghat. Whew, but man, look at that view, look at that. What the heck happened here? Bro, you can't park here. Oh, I think that's the Kalu waterfalls if I'm not wrong. Because that steps you can see, right? The first and the second layers, that's from Kalu. And damn, it's not that beautiful as the Satkund, isn't it? I'm not gonna lie. Because we got to see the Satkund so close and got to enjoy there personally. I mean, spent a little time. After Satkund, whatever the falls I'm seeing here, it's nowhere near to that beauty. Satkund is on top of my list. Damn, look at that view, man. Oh my god, just imagine this valley in the proper monsoon. Oh my god, can't imagine it. I think this is that point, if I am not wrong, where, you know, you'll get the water droplets and all, and the falls also will be on the road. But it is what it is. You won't, it's not monsoon, so but look at the valley, man. Oh my god. And there is a little tunnel over there. Whoo! Whoo! And actually we just thought that we'll just stop here at a lake. I don't know the lake name though, but it looked beautiful, so we are like, why not? That's Sahyadri. Let's go, man. I mean, the kind of view you get here, right? I mean, it's entirely different in each region. this is gonna be my final episode of Maharashtra series, and I really hope you people enjoy the previous episodes, and hope you guys show some love on the videos. So currently I'm heading back to Bangalore from Pune. Yeah, I started around 3:30 in the morning, and now the time is 6:44, and if I'm not wrong, I have clocked around 247 kilometer. 3:30, 4:30, 5:30, 6:30. 3 hour, 247 kilometer. Not bad though. But yeah, I think now I'm almost near to Satara, and after Satara we'll cruise towards Belgaum, and Belgaum after Belgaum it's gonna be Haveri, Dharwada, and our usual Chitradurga, and back to Bangalore. So from Pune it's around what I guess 890 kilometer if I'm not wrong. Pune to Bangalore. Pune in the sense where I was. So it was showing around 14 hours of journey, and I have already done these kind of rides, right? We have hit Kanyakumari, we have been to Goa. From Bangalore to Kanyakumari also it's around 11 or 12 hours journey if I'm not wrong. But the advantage of Kanyakumari is that it's straight NH44, and you can cruise like literally without any worries. But from Pune to Bangalore it's like a little bit of headache here and there, because you have to ride through city, and I hope I won't get any traffic. So that's why I started little bit early. I was about to start around 2:30 though, but packing the remaining stuff and mounting all the luggages, it was just like that. It was 3:30 already. So I hope you people enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and show some love. Hit that like button, share with your friends and family, and if you don't want to miss any new video, click on that bell icon on the